Good morning, everybody. So, here's a feedback video. Before I do that, though, because I don't know how many people watch these, I see the YouTube view count, and I'm going to reward you guys for watching this by showing you what I did with my family playing in the snow.
You think it's going to come to life and you can ride it? Springtail.
So we made that.
Ooh, yeah.
You know, you have boys when they make recommendations like that of having a snowman impaled on the dragon spikes. But it was just a lot of fun work getting that dragon put together. Anyway, so the feedback that I have today is worth a huge amount of points. So I don't know, it's probably worth watching. Angela did a really good job on being concise, to the point. I like, there's two different kinds of posts here that I like. I'm a little nervous with people who shoot for the smallest. Angela pulled it off though. When in doubt, I'd rather have more. It's easier for me to, with confidence, give full points with a little bit more meat. This is one that is like to the point, busted out. I thought Alvaro did a great job with the ethical dilemma draft. You know, some minor spelling, comma splice stuff, but had a good ethics test. Golden rule. I think I might have mentioned him before. Madison did a really good job as well. There were a few things that were distracting, but I really liked how, and I believe that she had made some changes. So I really like it when people listen to feedback that they get, make some changes, you know, specific deontological ethics references. I'm trying to remember if she had a specific um, ethics test. There were a number of people who made some really good adjustments, added in some, hey, here's some specific ethics tests. Overall, I wish I had felt good about giving higher scores on all these, but you know, whatevs. Also, me getting this video up a little bit later means that I get to, I have graded the internship application, and I wanted to highlight Janine's, which formatting looks super sharp, has the date separated from the address, separated from the thing, which is directed to the person. There were a number of people who actually didn't choose one of the four groups like I had mentioned in my video, which makes me think that not everybody is watching these videos, which those of you who are watching right now, I could do whatever I want, and I would embarrass myself in front of you, but the people who aren't watching, they would not get the entertainment of Mr. Samuelson being really goofy and being able to laugh at him. So you know, it wasn't that these came in bullet list format, but it was that I have done extensive research in the field of, here are three specific things that I have done, and then followed up with, I'm confident in my analytical and research skills that I will be a strong addition to your company. Like that connecting of, here are specific things, multiple of them, and that they will tie into how I can add to your group. One of the criticisms I have was this line here of, I'm interested in. Usually it's best to avoid what you get from applying to these things, like the definite no, no, which I didn't see from anybody, but I'm just saying, like, never, ever, ever do anything like this of like, wow, this paycheck would be fantastic. Like, ooh, that is bad, bad taste. But in this case, this is like, it's Janine has phrased it in a way where it's like, um, I want to expand myself in a way that will be helpful to your organization. So it's like it's yeah. Just I thought that would be a thing that a lot of people, okay, a number of people could also hear. Um, Also, I really liked how bold a lot of you were in the conclusions of like, hey, I'm gonna call you next week, or hey, let me know when we can meet for an interview because um, I know that I'm perfect for this job. Like this makes me an ideal candidate for the job. Avoid the, I mean, even though you may be like, I want to be humble, I want to come across as humble, come across as confident. This is kind of the chance for you to sell your abilities, even if you don't actually come across as confident as you actually want to, even though you aren't as confident as you come across. Anyway, have a good week, and I will talk to you guys later.